Hey everyone, so anti-fog lenses, anything to cut down on the fog that's been driving us all crazy for months. I don't know about you guys, but I've been looking for an end-all solution to this problem that actually works for a lot of different lenses, a lot of different people, and really fixes it in a way that a lot of other stuff doesn't. I did another video, I'll link a card up here about that offers some tips and tricks like this that keep you from having air, hot air, warm air, moist air go up to your glasses. I don't really have this problem, but I know it's a problem for a lot of you guys. The other solutions work okay, and especially if you can have a pair of glasses and mask combination that really cuts down on that fogging, it's great, but I know a lot of people don't have that as an option. So I have finally found a solution that you apply to the lens. It doesn't mean getting new lenses, it's just something you use, and it keeps the lenses from fogging up. It makes the lenses spread the moisture out instead of beat up into a million little droplets, which is that fog that we see that drives us all crazy. So let's take a look at that and how it works. Now, for consistency's sake, so you don't think I've done any sort of trickery, this is the pair of glasses we're going to use for kind of the sample and show how this works. So we'll switch, of course, throw the mask up here, no magic, just typical right over the eyes, whatever. Bad fit makes it worse. So it is exaggerating the problem, but you can see very bad fogging. And of course, if I sat here talking for another 10-15 minutes, that would continue to get more and more problematic because I put out a lot of hot air, guys. All right, so the solution we've got is actually really a very simple one. It is this guy right here. So this is a cloth that's been treated with a chemical that it leaves behind on the lenses, even over an anti-reflective coated lens. Now this one, you can see it does have a little bit of an AR coating on the stock demos. But let's actually take this. So of course we've got stock clean lenses. Obviously I keep the glasses around here clean, so it's clean to start with. That's the starting point. So you want the glasses clean. You take this guy, you wipe it 8 or 10 times over each side of the lens, and magic happens, and it's over for about 12 hours. Now, just to keep with it here, we'll swap back to this pair. This one I have done one lens on to demonstrate on a video on TikTok because short format works sometimes, right? And that's, you guys can catch that there. But you can see the one lens I haven't treated fogs up like crazy. The other one is fine. See? So that's that. And I did that 2 days ago, I think, actually. I haven't really messed with them much since then. So there you go. 2 days, and that's still going pretty good and strong. Obviously it needs redone, but anyways, these guys. Let's do these guys. So there is nothing mystical and magical here. You open your little packet up, you take out your little cleaning cloth. It is important to keep it in this packet, so of course the chemicals don't go away, wind up on other things, and dry out in a way that it doesn't work anymore. Otherwise, these work good for up to about 1,000 uses, I believe is what they claim. Their claim of lasting 8 to 12 hours definitely fits, so let's do just the right lens on this one to start with so you can have a nice little before and after. So we'll wipe, and we'll wipe, and we'll wipe, and that's half the lens done, and we'll do it a few more times down here on the bottom. So you just want to get that nice little full coverage there about 8 or 10 times around. You can see the lens is still pretty good and clear. No real difference between the two, which is good. Now, on to the important part, the fogging test. This is the one you want to see, right? You got nothing. Lord, apparently I can't breathe today, so let's put it back on the face and let's do it though. So yeah, trying to not blow on the mic so it doesn't sound like a hurricane over here was the big problem there. But you can see, obvious, very strong fogging on this side. Nothing really on this side. Let's make sure we get just a ton of hot, warm air blowing up here so it's not any sort of fake stuff. Instant fogging, nothing. Really no change in the lens surface. Now, I don't know if you guys saw the video I don't even think I did anything on YouTube about it, about the anti-fog coating on the lenses from the factory. Those still required a cleaning cloth solution that had to be reapplied basically every day. So this is the same solution without trading off for a crappy AR, without trading off for a softer AR that's going to scratch more easily. And yes, those other glasses are already scratched and I'm putting new lenses in them very soon. So that's why you haven't seen them in any other videos. It's a soft coating to do that. It doesn't work. This works. I'll put a link down in the description below where you can buy that direct from my store. They're not anything crazy expensive. It's like 15 bucks. So it'll get the job done. It will save you from the insanity of fogging. And most importantly, it actually works and gets the job done. And it's as easy as carrying a little extra cloth around with you to keep and clean your glasses with, which you should be doing anyway. So you just trade that cloth out for this cloth and you can see without fogging. I'll catch you guys next time. Let me know what you think about this video, and if you get one of these, definitely let me know how it works for you. I've done it for a few other people here, and I have had nothing but great reviews on the product and the way it works and holds up. So let's keep that trend going.